I'm at the KOA RV Park in Mitchell, South Dakota. I think that's the first time I've ever remembered it. Pretty darn nice place, and I wanted to just kind of show you around. It looks like they're all pull-through places or spots. It's windy here, really windy, so I decided to see if I could stay another night, and they said fine. Thank goodness, because I hate driving in the wind. I really don't like it. Okay, so I wanted to take you around. Got new people coming in. Anyway, I wanted to take you around and show you. Oh, they must be draining the pool. It was full last night. Maybe they're cleaning it. Sorry about the wind. Nice pool. Laundry room right there. And I got the biggest kick out of the bathroom. I know, how crazy, huh? Look at all the flowers. Isn't that pretty? Lots and lots of flowers. Huh. Anyway, I know, silly me get excited over a bathroom, but sorry about the sun. These bathrooms were like none I've ever been in before, so brace yourselves. The light will come on. Come on. There we go. So first thing you see when you walk in is this huge mirror, and then this wall covering. It's not paper, it's really hard wallpapering. Look at the sinks. And then the mirrors all have the fancy decorative stuff. They have cute signs. You'll be fine. There's another mirror with some fancy tiles. They're tile. And then the sink that matches. Another sign. Another mirror with fancy tile work. And another beautiful sink. And another sink. And all the outlets, there's two on this wall, have the pretty little covers. Look at that sink. And it's clean in here. There's not even dust on the countertop. These are the showers. It's got a lock on the door here, and then it's got your shower curtain over there. Got a really nice mat to step out onto. Shower curtain, shelf. And look, it drops down from the ceiling. The water does. Yeah, these walls, pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, and nice hooks. A lot of the places I went into before didn't have hooks in the bathroom shower areas. Pretty nice. So anyway, there's 3 shower stalls. And then 3 toilets. I don't think there's anything fancy in them. No. But there is a hook in there. Anyway, the light switches all have fancies. Isn't that the cutest? Anyway, yeah. Take you around the front. They keep it well maintained. I think it's up to 35, I want to say. Might be 38, I don't know. In Mitchell, South Dakota. They rent bikes here, the little 3-wheelers. Walk back around this way. It looks like they have a miniature golf course somewhere, or a putting green. Oh yeah, he did tell me about that. There's the miniature golf over there. Swing set and a slide for kids. Looks like they have tiny houses. Anyway, just a very well maintained, very taken care of log cabin office, RV park. It's nice. It's very nice. Anyway, just thought I'd share that with you. So today I have been reorganizing the Manor. I did laundry. So glad I've got that washing machine. And it's, like I said, it spins it so fast in the spin cycle that it doesn't take long for the clothes to dry. So I just hung them around inside the TrailManor. And look! Got my AC up there. I'm so happy about that. Words can't describe how happy I am to have air conditioning. I've been doing laundry and plotting out the next couple of places that I'm going to stay. Some will be 3 nights, some are 4 nights. Making my way to go visit Totally Kathy on YouTube, South Sioux City. And then I'll go to Nebraska, the Omaha area, to visit my uncle. So I've been planning things out. And then after that, I've got some days to waste and go sightseeing or whatnot before Lollapalooza. I'm excited. That's in Texas. It's in Texas. Anyway, so I'm excited to do that. Just kind of hanging out today, taking care of some personal business, uploading a couple of videos, and like I said, plotting out my trip from here forward. It kind of feels, I mean, I know I've got time left, you know, to be out here. In November, I think, is the month I'm supposed to be going back home. But I feel like I've reached half the circle and now I'm going back home. It's kind of sad because it doesn't feel like I've been gone very long. I've been gone over a month from my house. But it's fun. Anyway, so I'm going to go make myself another cup of coffee, get this video uploaded. And oh, don't forget, these videos come out probably a good week or 2 after I've left where I'm filming at. So just so you know, the videos come out after I'm gone, a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. Anyway, gotta go.